Hey, third graders, today we're going to take a look at your Chapter 7 learning targets for social studies. I can identify the different viewpoints of landowners between the Native Americans and Europeans. I can name 3 countries that sent explorers to the Americas and where they established settlements. Lesson 1, Explorers come to North America. You are there. Grab a load of branches. You are just in time to help build a new longhouse. A longhouse is a large wooden building where many families live together. You cut the wood in the spring when it is green and easy to bend. Then you use your axe to sharpen the ends of the branches into points. Then you cut some elm bark into rectangles to make the roof and walls. After you do this, you can put the longhouse together. You had better hurry up. There's a lot of work to do. The Iroquois. Long before European explorers arrived, many people already lived in the Americas. An explorer is a person who travels to little-known places looking for land or other new discoveries. When explorers arrived in what is now Oneida County, New York, and Quebec, Canada, a Native American tribe called the Iroquois lived there. The Iroquois women were very good farmers. Their main crop was corn. The men were very good hunters. The Iroquois set up a government. They had a set of rules that protected the rights of groups within the Iroquois world. It also protected religious ceremonies. In time, explorers came to the Americas from Spain, England, and France. These explorers had customs and ideas different from the Native Americans. These differences sometimes led to conflicts. Early explorers. Portugal, Spain, France, and England all traded for goods from China and India. Traveling to China and India by land took a very long time. Explorers from each country wanted to be the first to find a water route. They thought a water route would be faster and safer. Portugal led the way by sailing to the east around Africa. Spain sent explorers across the Atlantic Ocean. Christopher Columbus, Hernando de Soto, and Juan Ponce de Leon explored North America for Spain. Some built settlements. The French soon followed. Jacques Cartier and Samuel de Champlain landed in what is today called Canada. They created settlements and traded with the Native Americans. The English sent John Cabot and Henry Hudson in hopes of catching up with the Spanish and French in claiming land in the Americas. Let's summarize this lesson. The Iroquois lived in North America before the explorers arrived. The Iroquois had a set of rules that protected the rights of their people. The explorers had different customs than did the Iroquois. Portugal, Spain, France, and England set out explorers to find a water route to China.